So today I'm just doing some random garden maintenance. Here I'm cutting off the brown tips off these leaves. This plant tends to constantly put out new growth, and then the old ones just wither away, the old leaves, and they just pop out of the ground like that. And if they're not completely dead and I find them with just brown tips, I just cut them off. My mom and grandma used to do the same thing, so I figure I will do the same. And it just makes everything look nice and fresh and tidy. And then here I'm just picking up random like sticks and leaves and weeds and whatever else has blown into the flower bed just to make it look clean. So to the left you can see our driveway, and to the right is the lawn. And I'm just starting to create this flower bed over here with this $8 Japanese maple that I found, score. But the gravel from the driveway constantly falls into the lawn, into the flower bed, so it's probably a waste of time to try to get rid of the gravel from the lawn, but I try to do it every once in a while just because I don't want it to get embedded too deep into the earth.
Gotta be a better way to keep these up.
Yeah, well, we need to decide what we want as a barrier. Do you want like a wood or cement? Yeah, stone.
I mean, it's not that bad. Or is it? I don't know. Maybe it is bad.
Well, it would, see, like this is spilling, like kind of out. All that would have been held like this is. It looks really good, actually.
Just kind of a nightmare. There's no really other way to do this except for one by one. Is there? Because I think that rake that we use on the stones themselves.
Yeah, that ruins the grass.
And there's like stones in everything.
Well,
like,
typically what would happen is there would be a wood wall, and then from the wood wall you would start the stones, and on the other side is the gravel.
I don't mind it being right here.
And this needs to be pulled back a little bit too, so it's not. It won't go on the stones when it.
Well, yeah, I pull it back all the time, but I have nowhere else to go.
So you got to hear us discuss future plans, or at least brainstorm ideas on how to fix this problem. It's hard for me to commit to anything at this point because I don't want to mess it up. It seems like such a permanent thing that will take so much time, effort, and money, and I don't want to waste money. And I don't mind inexpensive as long as it looks good. Oh, there I noticed that I'm not even recording what I'm doing. Oops. It's always good to get a little weeding in. The grass still regrows into this area because the mulch just kind of slides down because it's a hill. I haven't figured out what to do about that either. Probably mulch more. And of course, while I was down here, I noticed the little Alberta spruce has soft new growth. How cute is that?